Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a really practical, time-saving process. How to send emails to specific subscribers using groups in Mailchimp. If you've ever wondered how to target the right people with the right message, whether for a newsletter, a special event, or just a company update, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it with confidence. Let's jump right in and demystify the process together. Alright, our journey starts by heading over to Mailchimp. So open up your web browser, log into your Mailchimp account, and get comfortable. You'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard, which is sort of like mission control for all your email marketing adventures. From here, you'll want to find and click on the Campaigns section. It's usually in the main menu. Campaigns are basically your sent or scheduled emails, so think of them as projects or messages you're working on. Now, take a look through your list of campaigns and select the one you'd like to send to a specific group of subscribers. Maybe you're sending a course update just to a handful of instructors, or maybe there's a special offer only for a certain segment of your audience. Click on the email campaign you want to adjust. This opens up all the settings and options for that particular message. Here, where things start to get interesting and a little bit more tailored, once you're inside your chosen campaign, look for the option to edit it. Usually there's an edit button or a pencil icon. Don't worry if it takes you a second to find it, as Mailchimp occasionally changes their layout. Click Edit to move into the campaign editing mode. Next, we're focusing specifically on the To section. This is where you tell Mailchimp who should receive your email. You'll see the current recipient list, but we want to customize that. Click on the To field and you're going to see some more targeting options. This is where Mailchimp's power really shines. You can send your campaign to groups, tags, or segments. These are ways to organize your audience for maximum flexibility. For example, imagine you have a group labeled Instructor Finder. If you want your email to reach only the people in this group, like all your instructors, simply tell Mailchimp to send to this segment. Sometimes you'll see a drop-down or a Send to button. Choose the segment or group you want here. Selecting the right segment means your message lands only with the folks who actually need to see it. It's like passing out invitations at just the right table, rather than shouting across a crowded room. Double-check your selection. This is a key moment. If you pick the wrong group by accident, your message might go to the wrong people, so just pause and review your choices. Remember, this part might take a few moments if you haven't set up segments or groups before, but Mailchimp makes it pretty straightforward. If you need to, you can create new groups or segments right here. Once you've made your selection, that's really it. You've now tailored your campaign to reach exactly who you want, ensuring your communication is relevant and personal. Just finish up any other campaign edits, preview your email, and you're ready to hit send. So that's the whole process, straightforward but incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Mailchimp groups or anything else email related, drop a comment below. I always love hearing your feedback and helping out where I can. And if you want more smart tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.